Hey there, it's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to give you a suggestion on creating your own show. We have so many abilities now to do podcasts and video shows. It's a great way for you to get found when the media is looking for experts in your industry. If you're putting out tons of content and you have like a regular, maybe it's a Facebook Live show, again, a podcast, maybe you do a YouTube show, something where you're constantly talking about your industry. And then you look good on camera and you sound good on a podcast using your expertise. Like I said, it's just a really easy way for the media to find you, to use you as an expert. So that is this week's PR tip. I hope you enjoyed that. If you would like more, please join our PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days. Less than 10 minutes a day. We will help you stand out as that expert and then help you get media coverage. So enjoy the challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.